Hello, my friends. Chances are you saw our awesome Pelican to stamp. Well, and the dies that match. Waha! Well, guess what? Yes, of course there's more. You know I can never stop at just one. So here we go. We have a fun little pelican kind of scooching down. We have one that's kind of like looking off to the ocean. And we have a smaller version of one flying so it can follow the other one that's flying on the club set. And we have a lot of fun words here. We have be a pelican, not a pelicant. Get it? Hang in there, spread your wings and soar, go fish, why the long face, you got this, what's the scoop, hey, and love you. So awesome. Now, yes, of course, there are dies that match. And we gave you a couple extra fish. Why? Because I'm worried you're going to lose them. Whenever I can, I try to throw in extras if I possibly can. Now, we also are releasing these fun pinhole cloud dies. Now, I know you really can't see that they look like much here. And as soon as you see some of my samples, and I can't find one right this second, as soon as you see one of my samples, you're going to say, oh, here's one. Look at this. Look on this tag. You can see those pinhole clouds, and they just add so much. And I have more samples, don't worry, but look how cute these little guys are. See, they're flying together. I love it. Then we are releasing these fun wave dies and a sunset die with sun rays for the water. Now this one is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, how cute this is. You are my... Oh, isn't that sweet? I love that. Sunshine. And I have more samples, don't worry. Then we are releasing a background die with a palm tree on the side and some water and some pilings. And I know it's better to see a real sample. Look at that. You're also getting a mini sun and a mini moon, so you could do nighttime ones, and little extra pieces there. And look at how gorgeous that looks with the palm tree. It's just like a beautiful, peaceful scene. I absolutely love it. And finally, by popular request, we've had so many requests for a hibiscus fold it. Yes, now we have one. And look at how gorgeous this stuffy is that Michelle made of a hibiscus. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the leaves. You are also getting the leaf, and that leaf is to die for. No pun intended because it's a die, but it is awesome. So let's jump in and look at our samples. Here is a sample of the cute little pelicans with the water die and the pinhole clouds. Now, I fear you won't be able to see the pinhole clouds on video very well. Blow up your video or go to our website and look at the gallery, because you know what? Those pinhole clouds are amazingly beautiful. I love them. Here's another one. Look at those pinhole clouds in the background. We got our palm tree. We got our little pelicans all over the place. I absolutely love that. Here's another one with that palm tree on the side. Totally different looks. Isn't that fantastic? I know. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now here's another one with a palm tree. And oh, look at that. Hi, using our big alphabet. Fun. Okay, look at this one. This one is going to knock your socks off. And you know what the best part? Easy peasy. And a little sneak peek for the future. Look at this. Enjoy Life is a sneak peek coming later this month. But look at this background, and I hope you can see it on camera, but it is this most gorgeous background die, but it's not, right? It's just die cut. First, who made this? Chris. First, Chris did the ink blending on it, and then she die cut it, and look at how fun that is. You can see all the cut lines, but it's very, very subtle. I love it. Now here's a fun one. Oh, look at our little guys all swimming in the ocean. Swimming in the ocean with our little fun wave dies. Love it. Here's a cute one. Oh, I love ink blending. You guys know I love that. Spread your wings and soar. I love that. So fun. You got this. Oh, here's another example of those gorgeous pinhole clouds. So beautiful, so delicate. And you know what? They just add a little bit more. It takes it like to the next level. That's literally what it does. It takes it to the next level. Here's another example of our fun wave dies down there. Absolutely love it. And here's one with our palm tree. So fun. It's fun because it's like half a palm tree. So I really love that it's just half a palm tree. And then, oh, here's another sunset one. Look at the sunset. Isn't Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I absolutely love that. On our large postage stamp, so fun. Be a pelican, not a pelicant. Now, are you ready for some hibiscus samples? Oh, you guys, it makes me want to run to Hawaii. Well, I can't run because you have to take a plane or a boat. But look at how gorgeous that is. Now, this one is a extra fancy one. Look at how cute that is. Now, oh my goodness, if you do not have that mermaid, look at how perfect she looks with that hibiscus flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. Love that on the pansy paper. Ooh, look at the stunning one on this one. Lots of little extra tiny glitter using our glitter crystal clear pens from Crafter's Companion. So beautiful. Or go totally different and do pattern paper. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that stunning? I love the black. I love the black. Now here's a simple but easy one. Look at that, just so beautiful with our cute little leaf on the side. And then here's another cute one. Delivering sweet wishes to you with our cute little pelican. Now, club members, you know the deal. You get a discount on every single item you buy on our website. 15 to 20% off every single order, every single day, even on flash sale prices, as long as you're a club member. Boom. I know, it's like we're paying you to be our friends. It's really kind of like, it's pretty much like that. But you know what? It's worth it, right? So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get these now. The first 24 hours they're on the website. Flash sale prices. Hello. That's awesome. So go check them out right now. And you know what? There's also an online gallery for all of these items. You can see these samples up close and personal, and you can favorite your favorites and print them out if you want to. So awesome. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.